Welcome back to this amazing channel. It's your boy Chakala on the move. Another beautiful morning, another beautiful day. That we are here at Fathela TV construction site, and as you can see, amazing things are happening. Wow! Just wish you can see there is amazing things happening here. So welcome back to this amazing channel, guys. It's your boy Chakala on the move. If you've not tuned in, try to tune in. Yeah, I've been sick actually, but now you can see my health is coming back well and is going up good well. But my eye still, it's not okay. You can see the difference. So I'm just having still some few issues to not yet done, but I'm thankful to our dear Lord. Whoa! Well, I'm really happy and kicking up. So we are here at the TV construction site and making things happen. So join the move and let's keep on moving. Today actually I'm just here doing 1, 2, and 3. You can see, I'll just show you as times goes, guys. So if you have not tuned in, make sure you tune in and let's make things happen. Let's keep on the move. Yes, that is what we'll be doing today. Actually, you see, it's fixing there is a molding will be done here for the decoration actually. So we are trying to make the place to have the shape of that molding, you can see. And we have the mason there working also. So keep in touch and also keep watching the video till the end, because the vibe is gonna be amazing. Yeah, you can see. Wow, I was just mixing sand and cement over here, and the mason is working. Just two of us today. Yes guys, this is what is going on. You can see how I was just telling you the way. Yeah, it is a curved, I don't know how to call it, but it's a curved something. They want to decorate also and put up something like a pillar here which will have a decoration. So I know you know how the things that are made of the dining rooms also. And also here today we're gonna work with this side also and this side. And we have our mason here who is working on that side. So I'm just here with him and this handman, you know, always top handman here at Fathela TV. You can see things are just happening. Wow. Actually the house looks amazing right now. If you can, let me just take you around and show you a bit of the place. Wow, let's start with this bedroom. Wow, very nice guys, very nice. Actually Moibra was the one who was doing this amazing job. Moibra, wherever you are, salute guys. You know how to fix the tiles. You can see the good job that Moibra was doing actually. He's a very good mason, knowing how to put his job very clean, very clean. So this part you're seeing here that there are somehow there is a painting that will be done for the second time, so that you can clean this. You see there was some, when the tiles were put, you see there was some dirtiness that were happening. So there will be there is another painting that will be going on very soon. But you can see the bedroom looks very amazing from the gypsum to the floor. Wow, very nice. Not yet complete. This is just the beat. A start actually the beginning. Yeah, and our toilet here, you can check and see the way it's very nice. Wow, Mo Ibra, this is a very good job that you're doing. Big shout out to Mo Ibra. Yeah. Yeah, wow, you can check on this. Wow. Guys, actually the toilet looks amazing. I feel like I should be sleeping inside here. It's very nice. Wow. It went from the tiles. Wow, they look amazing. I just love the way they are. This is a nice job we're doing. Wow, modern toilet actually. I usually see this in Nairobi. Sometimes when I visit Nairobi, I see this. Here the villages, they are not common. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but this one, Fathela has brought Nairobi to the village. Wow, very nice. And the tiles outside here. And also we are just dealing with the mason over there. So keep in touch with the video till the end, because the vibe is going to be amazing. And I really love for the people who are just watching my videos and also supporting me. That is a nice job that I'm doing actually. Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And also guy, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. It'll be amazing. Actually guys, you can see the work is already done. So here they're already doing that. Now here we are coming to this side, and the mason is working on that so that we can make the place ready for you now to start it at the same as that. Yeah, just here to show you the places. You can see the fisher boats actually, they've already been placed. I think it's only some few places like this one, because the place here is somehow dangerous. I think the person who will be constructing it, this place here, the only place that is remaining, this only place, because of this electric fence over here. So also this side is already done, you can see, and this side also done, and this side also the whole ceiling is already done. The other part, yo kijana vipi, and this side also, you can check this side also, it's already done. And this side, this side also there is, yeah, it's done. So those things are done amazingly and very correct. I think the house is now at least on a good mode. The fishables, they've already placed them very well, and the vibe is hot here. So the house has now begun to bring a new shape, a new style and looking. So keep in touch, guys. Watch till the end. And if you're new to this amazing channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Actually, I just urge people, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, if you're new, guys, don't forget to subscribe and share. And it's raining over here. It's raining actually here. Today, it's 2 days that the rain has been raining. 2 good days raining. Even you can see the surrounding. There is no sun. The weather is yeah, it's been raining. Even right now there is some drops of rain. Yeah, so guys, keep in touch to the video till the end. Yo, so guys, the first one you can see it's already the mason. So the person who will be doing molding will come now, and the work will be easy for you. You can see how it has been done. And the mason is mason. You can say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that is the mason today that is doing. So guys, I'm just briefing you on what is going on here at the construction site. On the other side also, outside here, there is somebody who is doing some cleaning. You can see, yeah. Yes, you can see what he's doing. There is a boy here doing some cleaning. Make done.
Yeah.
Can you say hi?
Hi guys.
Yeah, you can see what he's doing here. Cleaning this place, so it's very wonderful, guys. So keep in touch and watch the video till the end. We have Moibra over here.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Yeah.
How about you?
I'm doing okay.
Everything is okay?
Everything is good.
Yeah, today they're raining.
Today there was raining from the morning actually.
From morning? Oh, is it starting yesterday?
2 days. It's now 2 days since the
2 days,
yeah.
Too much raining, guys.
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on time. Welcome to Chakara on the Move YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Supporting my brothers to go on the good success. I'm here, brothers. I'm chilling. I just tried to editing my video.
Oh, yeah, and to upload.
Yes, because I want to upload. But I say thanks God for blessing for this day. Whenever it's still raining, I'm still and I'm surviving to crossing border to come back to Nyamuhanse.
That is a wonderful thing.
I'm so happy to back here and to continue to see how the progress is going on, at least to make the good job.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm here to show you the everything that I'm done here and what things I'm doing.
Yeah,
so
even the tiles here, the one who is putting around.
Yes.
They are seeing your good job actually.
Oh, okay, thanks, bro. I want to make sure everyone who are watching my video and who are watching the video from you is say, oh, Mo Ibra is doing good. He's doing exactly work. Yeah. So because I like it one day to be international mason. Yeah. And who are people who enjoy the also. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So guys, go check out Mo Ibra. Take me to go on the good success. For subscribing, comment and share. And enjoy these vlogs from Chakara on the Move. Yeah, you continue editing. Okay.
So guys, you can see even how the rain has been raining. Too muddy over here. Wow. The rain has been raining. This is 2 days. But right now it is stopped, but you can see there's some wind. Even there is no sand. But even the other boy was doing this work over here. Cleaning this part here. You can see the way it is. So guys, I'm telling you, rain. Don't know how this job will be done. There is too much of rain. You can see, and this is what. Yeah. So guys, just here. I Hey, rain, rain. So guys, we're just here ensuring that everything is happening okay and fine. If you're tuning in for the first time, guys, actually go check me out at Chakal on the Move. Let's reach to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and that will be something nice. So keep on watching the video till the end and also continue with the support. Yeah. Yes, guys, we are back here, and I think there is another place here that we want to fix also. There is water that is disturbing. You know, when it rains too much, it destroys. You can see also this place here. They're trying to fix because of water. Also, the mason is doing that. So actually, it's on a rainy season, but we need to deal with this water. And this place also to want to put some concrete here, stones mixed with sand, and also cement. So guys, I want to mix this with cement and sand, so what you can pour over there. So keep in touch and watch the video till the end. Today I asked to go with Masare so that I can use his stand, so I'm trying to fix it. Yeah, I think they're very beautiful. Yeah. Let me put it over here. Yes, I can see very clear.
your phone. I see your phone is already.
Oh, I was charging it here. Yeah, there is electricity.
I just came to charge mine about.
Oh, yeah, you can charge also, guys. It's a way to color the movie here to be at the construction site, trying to prevent water over there. Yeah.
Building that place too.
Yeah. So guys, go check me out. My favorite at the color of the movie. Let's make it happen to those 100 subscribers.
How many subs do you have?
For now, 130.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just keep on moving.
Yeah.
Slowly by slowly, if you get 1 subscriber today, tomorrow you get 3.
Yeah.
You just make that way.
Yeah.
Even now with there was a time I was below 1,000.
Yeah.
Right now we are at 9.
That's
So
wonderful.
you just keep on trying.
Yeah. Also, as we just reached there.
Yeah.
Let me continue the work. Hey.
Very nice. Good. So you want to make concrete?
Yes.
Kumeka uli baraka?
India that.
Uli baraka tatu. Sijajua si pale tunakorojea 2 years. Hiyo ni mingi. Tulikuwa nataka tuweke wilibaro moja na nusu na mchanga moja hivi.
Kama tukiana shino sema aje? Yaani ni hatari hiyo. Jackson ni hatari sana.
Hatari.
Hata kama ni watu wawili. Hatari sana. Hata kama ni watu wawili na wote. Na msupa. Sababu gani niita?
Yeah. Action one. Ikitu mwana itasumbua hapo basa.
clear. Yes.
Yes guys, the work is going on and things are just happening amazingly. You can see I was mixing the concrete, but for now just want to show you what we are doing there, so keep in touch.
Na wengine hapa hivi. Hii maji inakaa tu sinienda kwa msingi. Yes.
Yeah, that is what is going on. You can see, to prevent the water from entering the house actually. So things are just amazing. Things are done very well. So keep in touch and watch till the end. And so guys, you can see the new look of the place. It's very wonderful. So water will be just running from here, from that direction, that to this side, then it goes down. The reason we have put here concrete is because the water goes into the inner wall, the msingi. Yeah, the water enters the wall. Also, we were dealing with this part here. Also, the water is affecting the wall, so it will be running all the way this way to the other side. It goes down. Yeah, so guys, I've been here as a handman. We need to go and take some lunch, then we'll just get back to the work. Yeah, so keep in touch and watch the video till the end. Yeah. And so guys, we are from lunch break and just want to show you what we've been doing from the lunch. Actually, we came, my phone was still on charging, and now, you know, it's been 2 days since the electricity went off actually. So I'm just charging here at Fathela TV construction site. Please, here there is electricity. So after lunch break, we were doing here. Yes, let me show you what was going on. Is going on actually. You can see we have fixed at least here, and this is at what we've done also. Yes, so you can see. Wow, I told you what will be passing through inside here when it's raining. The other side down, it goes down there. So we had to put concrete here to make it look this way, this clean. So guys, and also Mo Ibra was continuing with the cleaning of the tiles, making it look neat. I'll just take you to show you what is going on. Let me take off my gumboots. You can see they're dirty, so I can identify here. Yes, I'm in. Yes, this is what my bro's doing actually. Oh,
Yes, Chakara.
guys, my bro.
Yes.
I came to see Ken God actually, and I find you offside.
Oh, yeah.
Ken God,
together.
you guys together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ken God,
Yes.
how are you?
I am doing fine.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
It's been long, my guy.
Yeah, it's been long, guys. I hope you're all doing good.
Yeah.
It's been long
Yeah.
because one, the work was down.
Yeah.
So I decided to take a break.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, I also became ill.
Yeah.
So at least now I have recovered.
Yeah.
And now I am up again. So maybe you'll be seeing me more. Of
more of
yeah,
the
yeah.
days.
So guys, thank you so much for always supporting Chakala on the move.
Yeah.
Check me out at ayam_KenGod on my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe. We are on the road to success.
Yeah.
I was just admiring the work that
Mo Ibra is doing.
Exactly.
Wow.
Wonderful job.
So guys, you can see this is
Wonderful job.
the wonderful job of our Mo Ibra. We? Hapa ndo nawezea watu. Yeah. So guys, thank you for being in touch and being with me from the start. And the vibe is gonna be amazing. And I'm really happy for you being on this channel. Let's reach 100 subscribers and make it happen. It's been your boy Chakala on the move. I'm gonna say bye to this. Bye. Wow.